This is the second year we've worked on the Scottish Islands project with my group, and it empowers people. People like to know that the material's being removed, that it has a traceable route to be recycled. Plastic doesn't go away. It will break down into smaller and smaller pieces. So marine life will eat it, swallow it, and it does have a pretty devastating impact on wildlife.
So when the opportunity arose for me to be able to travel with Neil and his team, I thought this is a brilliant opportunity for us to be able to get some feet on the ground and actually show how my group and MyReFactory can work cohesively with these organisations, as we have been doing for a number of years. Travelling over to Skye, helping collect the waste, bring it onto the site, and then show the whole development process after that.
About 7 years ago, we were looking to find recycling solutions for that plastic, rather than it just going in a black bag and ending up as waste, because that's not very motivating for the volunteers on the beach. Certainly what we saw in Scotland recently, the amounts really shocked me again this year. So there's a lot of good work that is being done, but we need many, many more helping hands and the support of other organisations and recyclers such as my group.
So there's a lot of useful plastics that you can pull from the ocean. There are some that are beneficial for different processes. So we can look at re-injection moulding some of these products. We can look at putting it into the MyBoard. So as a team, we sort of identify what's available to us and then figure out the best uses for that.
When you work with these remote Scottish communities, especially on the islands, what we've done here is that one stop for them. And we've supported them to be able to clean their beach and get it off the island and recycled all in one. And they need clean beaches, they want people to visit them, and obviously the benefits to the wonderful wildlife, the bird life of getting this plastic removed shouldn't be underestimated.